Welcome to the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast.
Hello everyone, this is Jarvis Escott with What's Happening Birmingham. Today I have the honor and pleasure and welcoming back your Birmingham City Councilor, District 7, Wardine Alexander. Councilor, thank you for coming on the podcast today.
Well, thank you so much. I'm so happy that What's Happening now. Birmingham is out here with us in D7 in Roosevelt City Park. Good to see you again.
Great. So this is one of the parks that's in your district. Tell us about this great project that you did to revitalize this park.
Yes, this is the Roosevelt City Park. It's one of the parks that are in the D7 family of recreation centers and parks. We're located again out here in Roosevelt City. This is among the 19 neighborhoods that make up District 7. What I'm most excited about this park is when we talk about community revitalization, what the D7 office has done to support revitalizing this park and making it a place that we love to live, work, and play. We spent over $25,000 in D7 discretionary funds that are going towards revitalization upgrades to our park.
Okay, so let's take a great tour of it right now.
Thank you. Come on.
Okay, we're back again. So, Councilor, show us where we are now again.
Well, right now we're out here near the pavilion area here in the park. We've got the pavilion. We have some picnic tables. Actually have a softball field. Have a very nice walking trail that our residents can come out and enjoy. And one of the things I want our residents to know is that we've been in partnership not only with the City Council office, but with organizations like Alabama Power. They've come out and revitalized the lights out here in the park, and so that revitalization is important to me. I know that some residents have been concerned about the way that the park looks, and they wanted to ensure that we invested those dollars. So that's why it was important to me to take our discretionary funds and put those into the park, again, where our families can live, work, and play.
All right, well, let's take a look at the walking trail.
All right.
Okay, now where we are again now, Councilor?
Well, now we are here again in Roosevelt City Park. We're looking at the softball field, and one of the nice attractions of the park is that we do have a walking trail. Now, I know a lot of us have put on what we call those COVID-19 pounds, so here's a way that we can come out and enjoy the park. I've been told that 4 laps around the park equals 1 mile. Now, one of the things that residents did complain about and that we were concerned about was the asphalt and how the surface itself looks. That's what some of those investment in the community revitalization dollars that I've been giving to the park that we're going to help to maintain and to fix and improve. So again, very nice atmosphere. We have a little bridge over as we walk along the walking trail.
Yeah, we're going to take a walk over there for a second.
And we have the playground that children can use. Now, what we've seen right now, we do not have basketball goals or anything set up over near the basketball goals and the tennis court, and that's due to the safety restrictions for COVID-19. But I do understand that the city will be putting those back up very soon, and again, as we encourage our residents to come out and enjoy our park. Well, again, we're out here in Roosevelt City Park. We've taken a little tour, come across the bridge that crosses across the creek. Just a very serene, nice area if you want to come out, kick off a few pounds and enjoy the outdoors. Now, we've seen some things that need to be done. Some of the walking planks along the trail actually need to be refurbished. But again, that's what our D7 dollars will go towards. We want this park to be one again that everyone can enjoy. And so I'm excited that this community revitalization is taking place right here in the heart of D7 at the Roosevelt City Park.
Okay, and something you mentioned about an upcoming community cleanup?
Yes, we'll be out here Saturday, May 1st, from 9 a.m. till 11 a.m. This is where the residents of D7 and volunteers are going to come together, and we're going to do some plantings and a little sprucing up around the rec center itself, so that it'll be a nice, inviting place for residents to come. So if anyone wants to come and join us, that's 9 a.m. till 11 a.m. Saturday, May 1st. It's a busy day, but I'm sure if you come out and just take a few minutes to help revitalize the park, you'll enjoy the time.
And as always, what are some ways they can reach you?
Well, you can always call the D7 office at 205-254-2498, or you can reach me by email at wardine.alexander@birminghamal.gov. Come on, give us a call. Keep in touch.
Well, Councilor Alexander, thank you for giving me a tour of the Roosevelt City Park. It's really nice, and I gotta tell you too, the air smells great out here today too.
Well, I'm gonna say the same thing. Of course, we've got some work to do to make it pristine, to make it what we really want it to be, but I'm excited about the work that's going on and how you can already come out now and enjoy yourself.
All right, well, thank you all again for watching. Please check out what'shappenedbirmingham.com for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all again, and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast. Please check out our website, app, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos today.